Karuan na si kasuan mi o dayat min pinablis dilay tandayong ika ang gapoy ang ipagpara bistay dayat ganila bistay grasya bistay kayaga.
Camille Angela Suratos, Mangaldan!
Limgas number 12, Camille Angela Suratos, Mangaldan.
Levanta a mão pro ar e deixa o pé arrastar. Mãozinha na cintura, quero ver você dançar. Todo mundo vai cantando, o coração acelerando, dançando e rebolando sem parar. E quando o sol raiar, a alegria vai chegar. Todo mundo vai dançar, a vida vai brilhar. Quando o monte conquistar, no samba do Brasil. Tropical samba do Brasil, sensacional samba do Brasil, é mundial.
Limgas na Mangaldan.
Set me free, set me free. Play the music, play the music.
Limgas na Mangaldan.
Set me free, set me
Able to witness the sad reality of mental health at a young age has taught me a lot about the importance of having a healthy mental being. In this day and age, we should now be ready to shed light on this matter as it may lead to serious issues. In Mangaldan, suicide is a pressing concern because of the recorded cases. This is why I want to share this advocacy, especially with the youth, and bring this aspect as a necessity in our conversation. This is dear to my heart, as it is a love letter to my papa. I wish that no child gets left behind because mental health isn't talked about as much. I am inviting you to make a step and take up space. Join me in this advocacy. Kaya naman, tara, usap tayo.
Limgas number 12, here is your question. What do you think is the biggest threat a remote education or online class system can do to the youth today? I repeat, what do you think is the biggest threat a remote education or online class system can do to the youth today? Your time starts now.
I think that the biggest challenge is that right now we are experiencing the climate change and the heat index that could cause the lives of us many people, and especially the health of the children. And I think it's very important to make a solution, especially to have a modular online classes for the children, for the students. It is very important to take care of themselves for their health. Thank you.
Thank you, Limgas number 12.